Hey, Jason Dustle here with Murideo. We're here at ISE 2023 showing off our Fox and Hound 8K HDMI test kit with our HDBaseT test kit as well. And what we're looking at here on we call the Fox and Hound kit. This is primarily for testing HDMI signals. So the kit has a generator and an analyzer. We can test up to 40 gigabits per second. And the idea here is that you have a generator sending out a signal and an analyzer taking in a signal. So when you're troubleshooting a system or setting up a system, you can mimic the source at the generator, and on the analyzer, you can make sure that that source and the cable and everything's outputting what you're expecting it to for that system. So one example might be you're setting up a 4K or an 8K system, but at the display, you're not getting the signal that you expect. So you can take the analyzer, put it in place of the display. You can see exactly what's going on with the signal itself. Resolution, frame rate, the version of HDCP, the audio formats, the audio channels, everything you need to know as an integrator in the field to troubleshoot why you're not getting the correct signal. We can test for HDCP compliance, we can test for HDR compliance, and this is just, it's nice, it's handheld, battery powered. You can take the analyzer, for example, copy the EDID from a display, maybe that display is in a different room. So you can take the analyzer, copy the EDID from the display. Now you're basically carrying around that display in your hands. So copy the EDID, put the analyzer in your pocket, go to where the equipment rack is, and you can do some troubleshooting over there too. So easy to use, very intuitive. We made this for installers specifically. You do not have to be on any sort of engineering level to use these tools. We did that on purpose. Next, we'll take a look at another piece that comes with this whole kit, and that's an HDBaseT tester. So in a lot of cases with HDBaseT, you might not know if there's a problem with the cable, you might not know if there's a problem with the transmitter or the receiver, like with an extender kit, for example, or maybe you're dealing with a HDBaseT product like a projector that has HDBaseT built in. So this is a modular system. If I want to test the cable, I've got a transmitter and receiver to test the cable. If I want to test an extender kit, I can use the transmitter here and the receiver part of the extender kit, or I can flip-flop them. I can use the receiver here and test the transmitter part of the kit. Does a lot of really cool stuff. What really makes this one special is all the reporting you can do. So I can go through a system, I can test every single cable, I can test every single endpoint, and at the end of the day, I'm going to get this nice big report that shows that we've tested everything and cables are good, the products are good. So really there's no more surprises when you get on site. And if you do go on site to troubleshoot, you've got a stack of paperwork you can go through and you can see what's already been tested. So that's kind of the quick story behind it all. Super handy stuff for HDMI setup and troubleshooting and HDBaseT setup and troubleshooting, all in this nice case. Again, easy to use, designed for installers. So if you want a little bit more information, we're over here in Hall 5, 5D175, or you can always find us on Murideo.com. Check out our YouTube channel. We've got lots of tutorial videos on how to use this stuff. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for listening.